Imagine a worker works 8 hours in a factory, but Marx says maybe only 4 hours are needed to produce the value in order to survive. So what happens in the other 4 hours of labor? That extra labor creates value for the factory owner. Marx called this a surplus value. This was a reality Marx saw during the Industrial Revolution. Factories and industries were owned by a small group of people. Marx called them bourgeoisie, the capitalist class. And the worker who works in those factories, Marx called them prolitariate, the working class. Marx argued that capitalism allows owners to make profit only when workers works for extra hours. Because of that, wealth gets concentrated in few hands and society becomes deeply unequal. So Marx predicted something dramatic. The workers would eventually organize and overthrow capitalism by revolution. They would take control of means of production, and this revolution would establish socialism, which will be led by the working class. But the final goal is communism, a classless society where the means of production are collectively owned. Russia became the first country to attempt the Marx ideas to practice. After overthrowing the monarchy, Lenin emerged as a leader who turned Marx theory into a revolutionary action.